All right, we are going to make some delicious chicken meat stock. So we're going to start with 2 chicken backs. You can use chicken thighs, you can use chicken legs, whatever you like. You can use a whole chicken. And you can cut the legs off and the breasts off and then use the whole carcass. But we're going to use 2 chicken backs. All right, we're going to put them right in our pot. And then we're going to use some chicken organs, and these are actually some beef organs as well. So I've got 2 chicken necks, and then this is heart, and this is kidney. You can use chicken liver, or if you get a full chicken, you can just use the chicken from the organs from the chicken that you get. And then we're going to use 2 chicken feet. I like to use about a ½ pound of chicken feet to get a lot of gelatin inside the broth. It's hard to get them right now, so I'm using just 2 at a time, but normally I like to use about a ½ pound of it. Then we're going to add potassium to our broth. And a little bit of sweetness and deliciousness. We're gonna add in an onion, and you can just cut it into chunks. A full onion. You don't have to use a full onion, you can use half, but I like a full onion. And then we're gonna use 2 celery ribs here, just cut up into chunks. And then this is a large carrot, cut up into chunks. All right. Then we're going to go ahead and put some salt in. So we need 2 tablespoons. I like Celtic sea salt, so I recommend Celtic sea salt. And you can just go right over the top there. And as you can see, that's about halfway full. So you want your pot about halfway full to make sure you get the right ratio for your stock. And then you're going to fill the rest up with water. All right, and this is filtered water. I like Pure Effects water filtration system. Berkey is also a good one. All right, and you're going to go ahead and fill it all the way up. Then you're going to bring it to a boil. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to put it on high. Bring it up to a boil. Once it's boiling, you can lower it down to kind of a low boil. You want to see the bubbles a little bit, but it doesn't have to be a rolling boil, just a low boil. And then you can put the cover on it. You want to do this for 1.5 to 3 hours, but no more than 3 hours. Remember, we're trying to avoid histamine response, especially we're in the beginning stages of the GAPS diet. So we just want to do a maximum of 3 hours. So bring it to a boil, cover it. After you drop it down to a low boil, and then you're going to boil it at a low boil for 1.5 to 3 hours. And then you have your stock.